What do I consider the proper human diet? It starts with focusing on consuming the macronutrients that are essential to life, and that includes protein and fat and does not include carbohydrates. Why? Because our bodies have the ability, via gluconeogenesis, to convert our dietary protein and fat into glucose on demand. That's why a bear can eat the protein and fat in salmon and won't ever need fruits and vegetables to thrive. That includes my favorite bear as a child, Winnie the Pooh, who loves honey. My advice is don't be like Winnie the Pooh and make protein and fat the most important part of your diet. Also, avoid those non-essential grains, sugars, seed oils, and processed foods. This way of eating honors the legacy of our fatty meat-eating ancestors who thrived on meat and animal fat and where fruits and vegetables only served a small role. It aligns with our physiological needs of providing our body with the exact nutrients we need to survive.